Um, this cultural thing I want to talk about is something that um, Americans would find absolutely crazy. This is a Malagasy tradition known as a Famadiana, and Americans translate it to the turning of the bones, which is what it's called. This is a family event that happens every 7 years. This event lasts through about 3 days. The first day is when all the family will get together, and it's just kind of a reunion for them. And there's a family meeting where they talk about buying musicians for the event, and they'll buy cows, and they'll buy pig, and they will kill the animals and then prepare them for cooking. And so the second day is when they get this all prepared, and then the third day comes, and this is when the turning of the bones happens. So what this is they will go to the burial site, and they'll go to their family tomb, wherever it may be, and they'll let open just one part of the tomb at first, and this is where they let out all the stink that's inside of the tomb, and then they'll light a candle, and then they'll have their masons chip away at the door, and then they remove the doors. They will go inside after, and they will all go and check out their family members. So they'll go and they'll say, "This is Grandpa, this is Grandma," and so on. And then what they'll do is they'll bring out the bodies into the field, and they'll wrap their bodies with a new cloth, which is called a lamba. After they do this, the musicians will start playing music, and the families will lift up the bodies of their loved ones, and they will start dancing with them. And for Americans, this seems really crazy, but this is a old Malagasy tradition that they will do. They really believe in ancestor worship. It's not a very common thing nowadays. Christianity has really become part of Malagasy's lives, and many churches are against doing it. So after they finish doing it, they will return the bodies back to their graves, and then they will go eat food as a family, and then the next day they'll part ways and get back to their normal lives.